Welcome to MultiTeach and Lessons Online. In this brief video, I'll demonstrate how the Zones feature can be used to enhance learning about the five senses for younger students. Lessons from the special needs category of the MultiTeach Lessons Community are featured. The Zones feature lets teachers organize content in different configurations. In this example, there are 4 zones. The Nodes app is in the top left corner and is organized as a multimedia concept map that contains nodes for QWL and essential questions, as well as links to standards, related videos, and resources. There are nodes dedicated for each of the 5 senses. Links embedded in the Nodes app can be accessed from within MultiTeach and displayed in full screen mode without ever having to leave the application. In the bottom right zone is the YouTube app, set to a video about the 5 senses from the Dr. Binox show. I'll select the full screen icon from the side menu to open the video for viewing in full screen, and use the side menu to return. Here, I'll show the Nodes app in full screen. Each node has a media space where images, video, text, and links can be embedded. Additional nodes can be attached to any node as needed for the concept map. Images and video embedded in the node can be quickly opened in full screen to anchor discussions. Lessons can be played in zones or opened for full screen interaction. This is a 3-round drop lesson. Students drag pictures related to each of the 5 senses to images that are paired with text for this round. In this round, the items have no text. After completion, other apps and lessons can be easily imported into the zone's configuration as needed. This has been a brief overview of the Zones feature with nodes concept mapping, lessons, and video, featuring lessons from the MultiTeach Lessons Community Special Needs category. For more information about MultiTeach, the MultiTeach Lessons Community, and Lessons Online, visit these links.